Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply the chain rule of derivative. So we have y equals to a of b. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of a content of b. Later that we do first derivative of b. Next, we need to use about the power rule of derivative. So we have y equals to a to the power of n. Later that we do first derivative of y, that is about n8 to the power of n minus 1, and we need to do first derivative of 8. Now we can apply the formula in here. So for this one we have number 2 and sine, so we apply the power rule of derivative. So we will have about number 2 sine of this one. So we do first derivative of sine and then we have cosine. So later that we need to do first derivative inside of cosine in here. Next, first derivative of cosine, we have negative sine content of this one. Then we do first derivative of this one. Next, first derivative of the square root, we have 1 over number 2 with the square root. Later that we do first derivative of sine bx. Next, first derivative of sine, we have cosine bx. Next, we do first derivative of bx. You got about b. Now we need to simplify number 2 and number 2. We cancel. B, I will put this one cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.